Welcome to the preference video for BTEC Technical Award in Digital Information Technology. I am Mrs. Wilford, the subject lead. So, why should you study DIT? This qualification combines a mix of both practical and examined contents. Its skills will be taught in a vocational context and include project planning, data management, presentation, and cybersecurity. Where can DIT take you? DIT equips you with the skills needed to work in any industry sector. Employers are looking for candidates that have a good level of digital literacy, so this course is perfect for providing those skills needed to secure employment. The qualification can also lead to a level 3 in ICT, or alternatively, you may wish to progress to an apprenticeship program in a related sector such as digital marketing, website development, software development, or infrastructure. So, how will you be assessed in DIT? DIT consists of 3 components. The first 2 are internally assessed components, and they are more practical activities that will be done in class. You will be given a scenario, and then you will make a project for that business based on the given scenario. They are worth 60%, so each unit would be worth 30%. And together the 2 units make up 60% of your final grade. The component 3 is an exam-based assessment, and it's done at the end of the course. So it's a synoptic assessment that covers all of the different topics, and that is worth 40% of your grade. So coursework makes up 60% of your grade and will be done in class and is more practical, and the test, the exam at the end of the course is worth 40% of your final grade. The specification at a glance. I would recommend having a look at the full specification, reading through it and seeing if the topics covered interest you and just something that you want to study for the next 2 years and find out more about. But as a little snapshot, component 1 is the interface, covers the designing, the planning, the developing and reviewing of an interface. In previous years, students have had to design a PowerPoint kiosk for a football stadium, and that was like an interactive menu where people could come up and press different buttons and find out information about the football stadium. Component 2, collecting, presenting and interpreting data, is more hands-on in terms of you get given a large data set and it uses Excel. You will manipulate it by using a range of different formula, which will help you understand that. You'll learn that in the course, and then from there you can create charts and a dashboard where people can find out information about the business and how well it's performing. So it closely links to business decisions and the real world, because you're using this data to analyze it and make decisions on. For more information about the DIT course, I highly recommend you have a look at the specification, read through it, and find out more about the different components and what is covered in each of them. See if it's something that interests you and that you want to study in more depth. I've also linked the sample assessment material for the course. It is a new course, so they've put up some example papers and example components and the tasks that you'd be expected to do. So you can have a look at those and see if that's something you think would interest you. If you would like more information about the DIT course, feel free to email myself, Mrs. Wilford, at ewilford@manor.school, or alternatively, you could talk to your computing teachers and ask any questions you may have.